Hello dear students, welcome back to the science class. Dear students, I hope you all are studying at your home. Dear students, as you all know, I am teaching for you the lesson digestion and role of microbes. This lesson is very important. So whatever the concept I will be teaching for you in the video class, dear students, please you read that concept on that day only and clear your doubts. Yes, dear students, in the last video class, we have discussed about the sets of teeth. Next, we have discussed the types of teeth. How many types of teeth do we have, dear students? We have total 4 types of teeth. Incisors. Incisors are used for cutting and biting the food, and we are having 4 incisors in our mouth. Next, we are having canines. Next to the incisors, there are canines are there. Yes, they are used for they are sharp and they are used for tearing the food. We are having how many canines, dear students? We are having total the canines we are having total here 4 canines we are having. 4 canines we are having. Next one is the premolars. Premolars are used to help the crush the food and chew the food. Okay, and we are having next we are having 2 premolars. Okay, total we are having 8 premolars teeth we are having. Next one is a molars. Okay, we are having total 12 molars and 8 premolars. Remember, 8 premolars, 12 molars, and these molars are used and they are broad in a shape and they will grind the food here. Next we have discussed the structure of tooth. Yes, structure of tooth, it is having 2 parts. The structure of tooth, it is having mainly 2 parts. First one is a crown part, next one is a root part. Yes, what is the crown part here? It is the upper part of the tooth and it is visible. Yes, the upper layer of the teeth is known as a crown and the base part we are calling it as a root part. Okay, the crown is covered with a enamel. What is this enamel, dear students? It is the crown of the tooth and is covered by a hard white shiny material known as a enamel. Okay, next root. Root parts are having some of the blood vessels. Okay. This is all about the structure of tooth we have discussed in our previous video class. Dear students, today in this video class, let us see how we have to take care of the teeth. Yes, we have to take care of teeth also. If you are not taking care of a teeth, then all your teeth will start getting decay and you all will get a teeth ache and everything you all will get. So dear students, let us see here, our teeth help us in biting and chewing the food. So it is very important that we take good care of our teeth. The small particles of the food get stuck in the spaces between our teeth. Dear students, you all know very well that these teeth will help us to bite and chew the food. ನಮಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಟೀತ್ ಬೇಕು? ನಾವೇನು ಊಟ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಬೈಟ್ ಮತ್ತು ಚ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಟೀತ್ ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ದಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಗುಡ್ ಕೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೀತ್. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಕೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಯುವರ್ ಟೀತ್, ದೆನ್ ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಸ್? Yes, you can't even eat your food also. So here whatever the food we will eat, the some of the small particles of that food will stuck in our teeth. ನಾವೇನು ಊಟ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಏನು ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಿಡ್ತಾವೆ ಅವೆಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ if we do not brush our teeth properly, germs starts growing on them and lead to the formation of yellow sticky coating called a plaque. Dear students, if you are not brushing daily, ನೀವು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಬ್ರಷ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಡೈಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹಲ್ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಒಂದು ಯೆಲ್ಲೋ ಕಲರ್ ಕೋಟಿಂಗ್ ಬರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಯೆಲ್ಲೋ ಕಲರ್ ಕೋಟಿಂಗ್ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಪ್ಲೇಕ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. PLAQUE, ಪ್ಲೇಕ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಕ್? The formation of yellow sticky coating on a teeth is called as a plaque. Remember, what is plaque? The yellow sticky coating on the teeth is called as a plaque. So these germs then reach the nerves through the dentine pulp. This can lead to the tooth decay. This cause a bad breath and the tooth cavities. So what happens, dear students, if you are not brushing regularly and properly, then your teeth will start decay here. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹಲ್ಲುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಹುಳ ಹಿಡಿತೆ. Yes, it will start decaying. Now if you nowadays many of the children and many of the adults are also getting this teeth problem because you all are not brushing and you are not taking care of the teeth. So dear students, see here, if you eat more amount of sugar, nothing but chocolates, it may be any candies, and if you eat more sugar, ಸಕ್ಕರೆ ಇರುವಂಥ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಏನಾದ್ರು ತಿಂದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, germs will grow on a teeth here. The next what happens, it converts into a acid. Next what happens, this acid it will attack on a healthy tooth here. ಯಾವ ಹಲ್ಲು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಆ ಹಲ್ಲುಗಳ ಮೇಲೆ ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. Then decay will starts here. Then your teeth will starts decaying. So dear students, here one point they have given, it is very important. Teeth perform many functions. What are the functions of teeth, dear students? Teeth helps us biting and chewing the food, and it gives shape to our face. Tongue and teeth help us in speech. Dear students, you all know teeth will help us in biting and chewing the food. If you do not have a teeth, then what happens? You can't eat the food properly, you can't chew it. Then because of the teeth only our face is having a shape here. Teeth gives us shape to our face here. Okay, think that, imagine that if you don't have a teeth, ನಿಮಗೆ teeth ಇಲ್ಲ, ಹಲ್ಲುಗಳಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಕಾಣ್ತೀರಿ ನೀವು? Yes, you will not look good. So because of the teeth only your face looks good here. Then the third point, tongue and teeth. Without tongue and teeth, dear students, we cannot speak. So due to the presence of teeth and tongue, then only we can speak and we can talk here. Okay, this is about the teeth perform many functions. What are the functions of teeth? Remember this point, this is a very important point. What are the functions of teeth? This is the functions of teeth and it is very important. You have to read these 3 points. Next one is a plaque. It is a sticky substance made of sugar and germs that what it becomes? It becomes a deteriorate tooth enamel. We should brush our teeth every morning and before going to bed at a night. If we want to avoid plaque, ನೀವು ಪ್ಲೇಕ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ನ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಬ್ರಷ್ ಯೋರ್ ಟೀತ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ ಬೆಡ್. This is about the how the teeth will get decay. Let us see here now how we can protect our teeth from plaque and cavity formation. What are the how we can protect our teeth from plaque and cavity formation? Plaque is nothing but the yellow sticky coating on a teeth. Yellow color coating ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು plaque ಅಂತೀವಿ. So the first one point here is brush your teeth at least twice a day. Yes, you have to brush your teeth twice a day. Brush the top teeth downwards and bottom teeth upwards. Brush the back teeth and the flat surface premolars and molars. Nothing but all the teeth you have to brush properly. Change your toothbrush every 3 months. After every meal, rinse your mouth. Do not consume too many sugary snacks or drinks. Instead, eat fresh fruits, healthy vegetables, curd and eggs. Clean your tongue using a tongue cleaner rather than side-by-side brush up and down. Visit the dentist at least twice a year for regular checkups. Take care of your teeth to keep them healthy throughout your life. Dear students, you have to take care of your teeth. First thing what you have to do, you have to brush your teeth at least twice a day. ನೀವು ದಿನದಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಸಲ ಬ್ರಷ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಒನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ ಬೆಡ್. ನೀವು ಮಲ್ಗೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಬ್ರಷ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಲ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹೌ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಬ್ರಷ್ ಯೋರ್ ಟೀತ್? ಆಲ್ ದ ಸೈಡ್. ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಸಿ ದೀಸ್ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ಸ್? Yes, all the sides you have to brush your teeth. In this manner you have to brush your teeth. This is the way, brushing the correct way. First you have to brush in this manner, next like this, the next like this, after this the next one. This is the way how you have to brush. The next point, eat a food that is healthy for the teeth and gums. Dear students, you should not eat more sugar items, nothing but chocolates, your candies. You should not eat. You have to eat a healthy food. Rinse your mouth well after meals. ನೀವು ಯಾವಾಗ ಊಟ ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ನೀರಿಂದ ಬಾಯನ್ನು ಮುಕ್ಕಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. rinse the mouth after eating. You have to take water and you have to rinse your mouth. Avoid eating too many sweets, sugary snacks or soft drinks. Dear students, you should not eat more sugary snacks and soft drinks. Okay, avoid eating these all the items. Eat a food that is healthy for teeth and gums. Dear students, you should eat a healthy food, like you should eat fresh fruits and vegetables, green vegetables, milk, curd, egg. Can you see? This is a milk, curd, egg, fresh vegetables, fresh fruits. These all the things you have to eat and it is good for your teeth. Next, visit the dentist regularly for checkups. Dear students, you have to go to the dentist. Dentist is who? He is a teeth doctor. The one who give treatment to the teeth, he is known as a dentist. Who is a dentist? Dentist is the person who will treat the teeth. If you have any teeth problem, then the dentist is a doctor who will give you treatment. Dear students, you have to follow all these rules to protect your teeth from plaque and cavity formation. If you follow all these ways, then your teeth can be protected. Yes, dear students, this is all about the points how you have to take care of your teeth. In the next video class, again we will continue with this lesson. Have a nice day. Thank you.